Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem a Walmart gift card on website. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Walmart gift card on walmart.com, first what you need to do is head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in walmart.com. Now once the page loads, tap on the three horizontal bar, then tap on sign in or create account if you don't have an account. And once you are signed into your account, next is to browse through the walmart.com website and add items to your cart. Then once you have added the items to the cart, simply tap on the cart icon on the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down and you'll find an option that says proceed to checkout. Simply select that, and now under payment method select gift card. Then enter gift card number from the back of a physical card or from your email for digital cards, and pin or access code by scratching the silver strip on physical cards or copy from email. And once that's done, simply select apply and your order total will now be reduced by the gift card balance. Then next step is to complete your purchase. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, enter another payment method for the remaining balance, review your order, place it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.